welcome all. Bob at Two Pops Breaks. It is Tuesday, November the 28th. We're breaking Bob Box full size helmet. Randomed up our 10 remaining numbers. 33 is what we got. We did random teams on the left. We've already randomized teams, customers, alpha, but test everybody. Gave them all a chance to trade. Nothing going down though, guys. We've not been in much of a trade mood. We are getting low in our series though, so. Alright, fellas, here we go. Bam! Wow, guys, gonna be one of our big boys there. Pulled a bunch of cash boxes, but then all of a sudden come back with a monster in the Justin Hudibert Hydro Flex, guys. Going to be the Chargers. Fuck out the Chargers. Hans. Well, Hans, it took you till the last of your money there, but you did turn it into a monster for yourself there. Let me grab that baby, guys. Oh, come on, camera. Alright, guys, you know you're hit. Just gonna see if we can get. There you go. Justin Herbert has the 3D bumpers, a visor on her. She is one of the two-tones Beckett certification. She is a youth bod, but she's a nice one. Really great looking helmet for you, Hans. I'm very sorry, everybody else there, guys. Hans has been buying in a ton now. Hasn't really hit shit other than the cash box. Did manage to turn it into a nice hit there, though, guys. Bam. Alright, anybody who wants to keep, it would only be 17 for keeps, guys. I'll give you guys the discounted price again. For anybody who does want to keep there. Alright, gonna pull Hans out. Double fours. This is for the Allen qualifier, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8 times, fellas. SD and DMP going to be the Allen qualifiers there, guys. We got 9 left in the series. That is going to be 59 and 60. 9 breaks until we award that, guys. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, even Kick, 8 p.m. Central. Bob at 2 Pops Break. Stop on by and join now.